Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we have another lovely prize for you. This is a 1977 Suzuki GT550 with the High Speed silencers, so sounds very nice. This one is being drawn on the 18th of May at 9 PM, which is a Sunday. And tickets as usual for these nice Japanese classics are $2.99. What we're going to do now, just show you around the bike and show you how to start it. And then the winner can reference this video as well if they get stuck for any reason. So yeah, really nice example. We've had the tank painted in this, and they call it Royal Gypsy Red, I think. Like I said, High Speed silencers, put a brand new rear mud guard on there. So really nice condition. What we'll do now, we'll start her up for you. So as usual, we've got our ignition key up here. Needs to be on. Got a choke down here, which is start is that way. It says run and start, which is quite handy. And we've got our tap here, which is a vacuum tap, so there's no off position when we start. So we put it on prime, and I think that just forces more fuel into the carbs. And we do have an electric start here, but I like to kick start them because it's a bit more dramatic, and sometimes it just saves the battery a bit as well if you haven't used it for a while, and when it's running it can charge up. Let's give it a go. Oh, it was cold as well. So it's quite a loud bike with those High Speeds, very aggressive, a bit like a Banshee they call them. Your 3 cylinders and your High Speed silencers. It's a really iconic, like, aggressive sound. That's the sort of thing you like. 2-stroke lovers love it. So we're only revving it up to about 3,000 revs until it warms up. But as you can hear, it sounds like it's revving more because of all the cylinders and all the noise. It's just under 4,000. Yeah, really cool machine. So if you like your 3-cylinder 2-strokes, it's just dying there because we haven't warmed it up enough. If you like your 3-cylinder 2-strokes, it'd be a really nice bike for you. These have always been really popular on our site, that's why we keep getting them in. Like I said, tickets are $2.99. And the draw is the 18th of May at 9 PM. And good luck if you enter, and we'll speak to you soon, the winner. How exciting.